So today we can start our new book that's name is The Art of Not Overthinking. So this is my life second book which I can read today. So firstly there are only 4 chapters in this book. The first chapter is You Deserve Love. Second is You Deserve Happiness. You Deserve Peace. Third chapter You Deserve Healing. Fourth chapter. These are the 4 chapters. Now I am starting with chapter first. That is You Deserve Love. If you are hurting today, know now that this feeling is only temporary, like all your other feelings. If happiness could leave your heart so unexpectedly, the this helplessness and pain will also leave soon. You do not need to be hard on yourself every day just because life is difficult, just because you are carrying mountains on your shoulders does not means there is no happiness left in your story. Life is about trusting the universe, God, and whoever you believe in, especially yourself, and holding on the hope even on the days when all you want to do is quit. You have come so far with a smile on your face and the kind of courage that can manage warrior jealous. Do not give up. Okay, notice when you overthink the most. Is it when you are by yourself in your room? Is it even when you were surrounded by people? Is it at night before you go to bed? No matter who tell you what, you are not a victim. You were not at the receiving end of something what over which you have no control. You get to control your mind. Whenever you notice negative thoughts crippling in your head, distract yourself, go for a walk, talk to a friend, start watching a show. Divert your focus entirely from those thoughts. It does not means that you are running away from your thoughts. It simply means you are choosing not to engage with negativity. You were choosing to focus on the things that give you happiness instead of letting your negative thoughts consume your entire. When you were overthinking, start questioning yourself about why you are thinking that way. If your anxiety tells you were going to fail the test, remind yourself that there is no way to find out what happens except waiting for the result patiently. And even if you fail, it does if it would not mean the world has ended. I am not saying your fear are not real. All I am saying is that you were making yourself sad about things that may never happen by making up scenarios in your head. Stop hurting yourself like that. If their pain in the future, let it be in the future. Overthinking complicates everything and simplifies nothing. You were allowing your anxiety to steal your smile when you can simply trust your journey. Hard work, good heart, and intentions, and walk ahead with perseverance and courage. When you are overthinking, call someone who loves you in, enough enough not to judge you for the thoughts and the feelings. Someone who does not invalidate your feelings. Someone who make your feeling understood and not unread. Someone who does not make you feel guilty about feeling too much. Someone who will listen to you patiently. That could even be a therapist. Seek support when it required. Does not be afraid of opening by opening up to new peoples and experience. Sometimes some conversation help you way more than you can imagine. Some people understand your heart better than you. There are people out there who care about you so much you have no idea. You do not need to thrive or struggle in isolation. It is okay to let your loved ones know that you need love. Can call your favorite person. Okay, write your feeling down without lying to yourself. Your heart feel lighter when you write about what makes it feel heavy. Did someone hurts you? What exactly did they do to hurt you? How does it make you feel? Write it all down. Even if it does not fix the problem, you will undoubtedly feel better. I know something there is no sometimes there is nobody to pour your heart into. Sometimes you are struggling and nobody even know you are going through all of it alone. Sometimes you are in a pain and the only person around is you. One day, when there is nobody to hold you until you feel better, resort to writing about your feelings. Nobody has to read them. It is a way of letting it all out of your system so you do not feel so heavy anymore. You are so amazing, but you keep forgetting that amazing people deserve amazing things. No anxious, and anxious thoughts and a heavy heart. You deserve to carry so much joy within yourself that you can feel your heart overflowing. You deserve the best pancakes in the world, coffee that tastes like heaven, friends who support you at all times, a family that understands what unconditional love means and practices it every day, unending hopes in your souls, fresh flowers, buckets, buckets, someone's to hold, someone's someone's to hold hold you on the day when life get complicated. Soothing sunsets and rain kissed afternoons. You deserve so much more than your anxieties is convincing you to believe. You deserve the kind of happiness that make you wonder if it is all really happening, if your life is in effect as synonymous with the word happiness. I do not think your expectations were the problems. You you do so much for the peoples you love. Therefore you accept things from them too, and that is completely okay. You are not supposed to keep giving and giving and giving without receiving even a ounce of affections from someone's. And no, and no, you are not asking for too much. You were barely even asking for the bare minimum. Love, support, care, affection, and respect are not things you need to be. You need to lower your expectations. They will tell you were the problem because you do not love them unconditional. Why much you love so much unconditional when they do not feel the same way about you, when they do not want to love you unconditionals too. You deserve joy even if someone you loved a lot stole all of it away and left without giving your closure. You deserve peace even if you were grown up in a house that could never be your house. You deserve sanity even if the world around you is determined to drive you crazy. You deserve claim even if people keep trying to put you through storms. You deserve to be loved for who you are even if the people around you are convinced you to believe you does not deserve to be loved. You deserve to laugh until your stomach hurts even if people have hurt you in the past. Does not forget that you deserve all the great things in the world just because the people around you have failed to give them to you. Life cannot always suck. Things can not always go downhill. Your worths will be seen by the right people at the right time, and the life will give up on the ideas of hurting you too. People can choose People can choose not to believe in your dreams. They can choose to push you down and hurt you. And that is not a problem. People are seldom okay, and seeing other people's grow. The problem begins when you start subscribing to their ideas and thoughts, when you start believing that just because they do not believe in you and you should believe in yourself either, that just because they think you are bound to fail. To fail, you will fail. Stop believing that someone else get to decided how far you were destined to go. The problem is not other people's lack of beliefs in you and beliefs in you, but the fact that you were convinced they are the right. They could not be more wrong. Okay, you can achieve anything you want in your life, want to in life. You can reach anywhere you intend to reach. You can be whoever to aim to be. And if nobody has told you that this this yet, hear it from me. I believe in you. You are worthy. There are moments when all we need is someone to listen us. Sometimes all you cra- crave for is someone who to whom you can pour your heart out without thinking twice, without the fear of judgment. Someone who does not judge your emotional state. Someone who does not question or invalidate your feelings. Someone willing to provide you with the comfort beyond logic and reasoning. Someone who understands who to be there, how to stay with something who hurting until they feel better. There are people who care about you enough to listen to you without judging you and trying to convincing you for the correct course of actions. They know at the moment that you do not need advice. You just need someone's to vent to. They are your peoples, so keep them close always. You had to go through the pain to, because these relentless shoul- shoulders shoulders even pain is scared of. You deserve to being watch cute cat videos on internet, put on a cozy hoodie and read a book in peace. Rewatch your favorite shows and listen to the birds sitting on your window sill singing sweet songs. Take an afternoon nap with nary a care in the world. Set the AC temperature the way you like it. Order your favorite food and explore new movies. You deserve to be easy on yourself on day when life get overwhelming. You must choose to be kind, gentle and nice to yourself on days when it is extremely difficult to do so. It is okay to stop and smile the roses. It is okay to relax for a while, to rejuvenate. You does not have to lose yourself in a productivity race just because everyone else is doing. In case nobody has told you his lately, you did not have to keep struggling at the expense of your sanity.